Okay everyone, so now we are learning the program for swapping the two numbers without using temporary variable. So first I am saving this program. Let us suppose that the name I am giving swap w for without, then dot c. Now first of all I am giving the comment program to swap two numbers without using temporary variable. First I am writing this program, then I will explain this program to you. So we are having the void main. In the main function, we are having CLR, SCR for clearing the screen, then getCH function for holding the screen, and these two functions are the part of library hash include conio.h. Now I am printing a message on the screen, printf enter first number. So this message will be on the screen. Scanf %d comma and a. Let us suppose that a I am taking as the first number, so I will just put int a. So the int a is the variable which is declared now, so value will be going into a. Similarly, I will copy this and paste this for taking the second number. Let us suppose that the second number I am taking the variable b, so enter second number and the variable b I am taking. Now I don't want the third variable to swap these numbers. So first of all I am saying a is equal to a plus b. So both the sum I am taking into a. Then I am saying b is equal to a minus b. Now the remaining part is into b and a is equal to a minus b. So that is the funda by which we can swap these two numbers. Then I will put printf numbers after swapping. So first number %d and second number %d. The comma, the value of first number a, the value of second number b. Now I'm checking this program. Control F9. Enter first number 12, second number 20. After swapping, the number is 20 and 12. I have to include one more library, hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output library for printf and scanf functions. If we miss this library, then there is no problem because these libraries are by default included, but for the good practice these libraries should be there. Now to explain this program, so there we are saying program to swap two numbers without using temporary variable. So there should not be the third variable, and this is the comment, so compiler will not read it. Hash include stdio.h, that is for printf and scanf functions. Conio.h, that is for clear screen and getch functions. Void main driving function coming inside int ab. So there are two variables a and b. Clear screen, printf enter first number. So this message is there on the screen. Scanf, so whatever the value user will enter going into a, let us suppose the value user entered is 20. Printf enter second number, so message on the screen, enter the second number. Scanf %d b, so the value of b, let us suppose that 15 is the value given by the user. Now a is equal to a plus b. So the sum of a plus b is going into a. Sum of a plus b, 35. So the sum is going into a. So the new value of a will be 35. Now b is equal to a minus b. So a minus b is going into b. A minus b, 35 minus 15, that is equal to 20. So the value of b will be 20. Now a is equal to a minus b. So a minus b is going into a. A minus b, 35 minus 20, that is equal to 15. So the new value of a will be 15. Printf, numbers after swapping, first number. So there percentage d will be taking the value of a, and the value of a is 15. And second number, percentage d, it will take the value of b, and the value of b is 20. So now you can see that the user has input these numbers 20 and 15, but the answer is giving 15 and 20, and we have only used these two variables. So there, without using temporary variable or third variable, we are having the answer. getch will hold the screen and will come out. And this one is very popular program because so many times companies even ask this program swap two numbers without using the third variable. And we may think that this program is very much easy, but see, the person who have applied this logic, that logic is having the value, and thus on the spot sometimes we don't even remember such program. So this is very important program, swapping of two numbers without using the temporary variable.